So this is how long it is. Growth everywhere. This is what my roots look like. What's up guys, welcome White Pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come over to Everything Tish. Go follow me on Instagram, JennifaDawta. Jennifer Dawta, that's me. Don't mind this hole right here. My shirt says hangry. I'm not, but I've already done some work for today. So actually, let me put some. I keep coming on here without my lips moisturized. What we're doing today is we're taking my hair out. I've been walking around with it for over 2 months. Let me tell you how long to be exact. I did my hair December 28th. If you guys did not see that vlog, it's me on my solo birthday trip in Mexico, December 28th. I did it. Today is March 15th. So if I kept it in for 2 more weeks, I would have had it in for 3 months. But I'm ready for something new. I ordered me a glueless wig, which is supposed to be really 100% glueless from OQ Hair, so you guys will see that whenever it gets here. But so yeah, it's been 2 months and 2 weeks, and I have no intentions of actually taking out my plaits that's underneath. But yeah, so this is, I have it in my Rapunzel thing, so I'm gonna take it out. And I have growth, duh. It's almost been 3 months. People really were like stopping me, asking me how long I've had my hair for, like how long I've been growing out my hair, because it looks so natural. So before I do anything, look, this is what my roots look like compared to when I first did it, obviously. So this is how long it is. It's to the back of my kneecaps. Literally, it's down there. Let's look at the growth. Do you see that? The knot is here and my hair is down here. Same here, knot is here. Here's one in the middle. The knot is here. So this much growth, and I do not tug on my hair. I can do this one, the back part of my hair. So let's start cutting. And I do plan to reuse this hair. I don't know if you can tell, but right here it's thick and then it gets smaller. So I do know where to cut, but the bottom of my hair is thin anyways, so I'm gonna cut here. So I'm gonna just try to find my hair in this. Here it is. And here's my hair from it. But I can start here. I found the plait that I have and just pull it through. So here's my plait and here's the hair. So I can cut up here. Boom. And now let's try to work this out. Oh, that was quick. I like that. I like how quick that was. So, ooh, it's dirty. Look at that. Wow. And I don't want it to start locking up or anything, so I am gonna wash my hair afterwards. I cut my hair before I put it in this style. I just chopped it off to my neck. But yeah, so it's dirty, but growth. We started here, down here, and now it's here. I'm just going to pull my hair through actually. Some more hair for the next time I choose to do this. This is what we got so far. Let me hide my cheek. Look at this. It started right here, literally down here. Now it's here. This is what you call growth. Okay, I'm officially done. This is what my hair looks like. To the back. Not me, like I have a lot growth everywhere. I did cut it. This is what it's looking like. Before it was bra strap. I would have to undo these to show you guys how long it is now, but I'm not going to undo these. So now I am going to wash my hair. I'm literally keeping these in. I'm not taking them out because I just intend on putting my wig right over top of it. Yeah,